What does this warning mean? The fog lamp indicator light features a lamp facing left and is usually green. It has 3 diagonal lines of light coming from it, and a wavy vertical line passes through the diagonal lines like a wall of fog. The rear fog light indicator is typically the same symbol, but the lamp instead faces right and is orange. What does this warning mean? Fog indicator warning light. In order to help drivers be safe in bad weather conditions, auto manufacturers include fog lights on certain models of vehicles. These lights are positioned lower than your normal driving lights to prevent any reflected light from coming back at you. Fog also tends to hover above the ground, so these fog lights will likely be able to reach further than your regular headlights. If it's foggy outside, then you should be using the fog lights to help your visibility. However, many drivers forget to turn them off once the weather has cleared up. Like any light bulb, fog lights have a limited lifespan, and leaving them on for too long will quickly burn them out, and next time it's foggy, your fog lights may not be functional. When you start the car, check the dash before you set off to make sure the fog lights aren't on unnecessarily. This way you will not burn out the lights prematurely, and you'll be able to use them next time the weather isn't looking too great.